Think you know all about the health benefits of baking soda? I bet you don't. In this video, we learn more about the amazing uses of this well-known kitchen product. From its role in treating heartburn to its potential to support kidney health, we'll uncover lesser-known benefits and the science behind them. Join us to learn how to make the most of the health benefits of plain baking soda.
Let's dive deeper and understand what baking soda has to offer our bodies and why it is considered so beneficial.
Balances pH levels. For our bodies to function at their peak, maintaining a precise pH balance is crucial. Typically, the pH level of our blood is around 7.4, leaning towards a slightly alkaline state. A minor deviation from this balance can significantly affect our health, tipping the scales of well-being. Acidity in the body can increase due to various factors, such as an unbalanced diet, ongoing stress, or even as a natural part of our metabolic processes. Persistent acidity disrupts essential enzymatic activities, harms cells, and can make us more susceptible to diseases. Moreover, an uncontrolled acidic environment triggers the activation of enzymes that break down tissues and fosters the growth of harmful gut bacteria, ultimately compromising our gut health. Enter baking soda, our ally in reinstating balance. It's rich in bicarbonate ions, which serve as natural buffers. These ions work to neutralize excess acidity in our blood and organs, ensuring our cells operate in their ideal conditions. Through this simple yet effective mechanism, baking soda aids in preserving the delicate equilibrium our bodies strive for. Aids digestion. After meals, baking soda water can be an effective antacid. It rapidly neutralizes stomach acid to bring fast relief from heartburn, indigestion, and acid reflux. You see, the stomach naturally produces hydrochloric acid to help digest food. But when this acid production goes into overdrive, it leads to that all-too-familiar fiery discomfort. Baking soda comes to the rescue by immediately neutralizing some of the excess acid. Within minutes of drinking a baking soda solution, you'll feel the symptoms start to subside. Additionally, baking soda appears to stimulate the release of mucus, which forms a protective barrier against stomach acid. So when indigestion strikes, reach for baking soda water for fast and effective relief. It quickly restores balance to your digestive system for smooth and comfortable digestion. Enhances athletic performance. During intense exercise, lactic acid builds up in your muscles, contributing to fatigue, soreness, and reduced performance. But research indicates baking soda can help buffer this acidity. Its alkaline properties help counterbalance the acidity induced by hardcore training. Consuming baking soda before working out helps clear lactic acid from your muscles and neutralize excessive hydrogen ions. In effect, this allows you to train longer and harder before hitting that point of exhaustion and discomfort. With baking soda buffering muscle acidity, you can push through more high-intensity intervals or reps. Supports kidney health. Our kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pH and filtering out toxins, but high acidity places strain on these organs, potentially leading to kidney stones, infections, and impaired function. Fortunately, baking soda can help safeguard our kidneys. When acid levels rise, the kidneys must work overtime to remove excess hydrogen ions and maintain normal pH. This constant stress takes a toll over time. Baking soda minimizes the workload for kidneys by neutralizing acids even before they enter the bloodstream. This prevents the kidneys from becoming overburdened and compromised. For individuals already diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, baking soda therapy may help slow the progression of renal function decline. The alkaline environment it provides reduces kidney cell injury, alleviates urinary tract infections. For those suffering from painful urinary tract infections, UTIs, baking soda can offer some relief by creating a less hospitable environment for the bacteria causing the infection. UTIs occur when harmful bacteria, usually Escherichia coli, infiltrate the urinary tract and bladder. These bacteria thrive in acidic conditions. Baking soda can help neutralize the acidity of urine, making it more difficult for UTI-causing bacteria to multiply and adhere to the bladder walls. While baking soda does not replace antibiotics for treating a UTI, its ability to quickly reduce acidity and calm irritation provides a measure of relief as you recover. Whitens teeth. Thanks to its mildly abrasive texture, baking soda can naturally whiten and brighten your smile by removing surface stains on teeth. Over time, foods, drinks, and smoking can leave behind stubborn discoloration on your enamel. Baking soda provides a gentle way to buff these stains away without damaging teeth. You can make an easy pasta by mixing baking soda with water or hydrogen peroxide. Then use a soft brush to lightly scrub teeth. With consistent use, baking soda polishes away extrinsic stains and restores your teeth's natural whiteness and luster. It's a safe, effective alternative to harsh commercial whiteners. Clears skin. Many skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, and rashes, develop in an acidic environment. Baking soda neutralizes the skin's pH, creating a less favorable environment for these problems. It also has mild antiseptic properties that further destroy acne-causing bacteria. As a natural exfoliant, baking soda also removes dead skin cells, oil and debris that clog pores and cause a dull complexion. For those interested in DIY skincare solutions, mixing baking soda with water and other calming ingredients such as honey or aloe vera can create a personalized face wash or mask. When used regularly, baking soda leaves skin clear, glowing, and soft to the touch. Natural deodorant. Baking soda is recognized for its versatility as a natural deodorant, thanks to its ability to neutralize odor-causing acids and absorb excess moisture. Its unique properties are not only effective for managing underarm odor, but also in reducing foot odor and combating fungal infections, attributable to its antimicrobial effects. Incorporating baking soda into your personal care regimen offers the potential to harness its natural deodorizing advantages. However, it's essential to proceed with caution to minimize the risk of skin irritation, particularly for those with sensitive skin. A patch test is recommended before regular use to ensure compatibility with your skin type. Hair care. Baking soda offers a unique approach to hair care, serving as an effective alternative to conventional shampoos. When used as a wash, baking soda deeply cleanses both hair and scalp, efficiently eliminating excess oil, product buildup, and impurities. Unlike harsh chemical shampoos, it achieves this without stripping the hair of its natural oils, maintaining the scalp's natural balance. This natural cleansing agent leaves hair feeling clean, voluminous, and refreshed. By gently lifting away unwanted oil and residue, baking soda helps to rejuvenate the hair, making it appear livelier and more manageable. Furthermore, the alkaline nature of baking soda can also help to regulate the scalp's pH level, contributing to healthier hair growth and reduced scalp issues over time. For those looking to incorporate baking soda into their hair care regimen, a simple mixture of baking soda and water can create a potent cleansing rinse. Typically, 1 part baking soda to 3 parts water is recommended for those with normal hair. This mixture can be adjusted depending on hair length and texture. Application involves gently massaging the mixture into the hair and scalp, allowing it to sit for a few minutes before thoroughly rinsing it out. Eases anxiety. Existing research and anecdotal evidence suggest baking soda may help restore calm for those dealing with anxious thoughts, stress, and nervous tension. When the body becomes overly acidic due to stress, poor diet, or other factors, it can lead to inflammation and cause anxiety symptoms. Baking soda helps neutralize acidity and lower inflammation. Using baking soda in relaxing baths is another great way it can ease anxiety. Adding baking soda to a warm bath helps alkalize the body and induces feelings of calm. The magnesium in baking soda also promotes muscle relaxation. Soaking in a baking soda bath before bedtime can lead to more restful sleep, which further reduces anxiety, aids weight loss. It turns out that good old baking soda offers several benefits that complement your healthy weight loss efforts. Let's go through them. First, it improves digestion by neutralizing stomach acid. This prevents unpleasant bloating, gas, and indigestion that can sabotage your diet and exercise. Baking soda also helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, so your body is less likely to store fat due to spikes and drops in blood sugar. It creates an alkaline environment in the body, which is less favorable for the accumulation of excess fat. You see, acidity promotes fat storage. Lastly, simply feeling lighter and less bloated thanks to baking soda can provide a psychological boost to keep you motivated to achieve your goals. Now, baking soda alone will not magically help you shed those extra pounds. But when used strategically with healthy lifestyle changes, it can complement your regimen by addressing some key barriers to weight loss. Immunity booster. Want an easy, affordable way to supercharge your immune defenses? Look no further than baking soda. This versatile substance can strengthen immunity by alkalizing your lymphatic system. The lymph system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other harmful materials. This process is highly dependent on pH. Acidity impairs proper lymph flow and function. When pH balance is disrupted, lymph fluid becomes thick and congested. This stagnation prevents the lymph nodes, spleen, and thymus from adequately filtering out pathogens and cellular debris. That's where sipping baking soda water comes in. Its alkalizing effects help restore appropriate pH levels within lymph fluid and nodes. This facilitates optimal viscosity and flow. The result is enhanced resistance to foreign microbes and efficient clearance of infected or cancerous cells. Your natural defenses are stronger and more resilient. Potential anti-cancer benefits. New research indicates the anti-cancer properties of baking soda. It can slow down the growth and invasiveness of tumors by neutralizing the acidic environment they thrive in. This enhances the effectiveness of chemotherapy and strengthens the immune system's ability to combat cancer cells. Although the benefits of baking soda as an effective anti-cancer agent are not yet proven, scientists are studying its potential as an adjunct treatment to improve cancer treatment outcomes. Now let's talk about how to safely use baking soda. As we've already mentioned, baking soda is considered absolutely safe. However, individual intolerance to baking soda by the body cannot be completely ruled out. To protect yourself from possible adverse effects, start taking baking soda in small doses. Begin by dissolving a small amount of baking soda, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, in a glass of water. If necessary, gradually increase the amount. Pay attention to your body. It's important that you don't experience any side effects after consuming baking soda. If you notice any discomfort or symptoms, it's wise to reduce the dose or stop using it and consult a doctor. People with kidney disease, pregnant women, or those taking certain medications should avoid this unless recommended by a doctor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this baking soda overview gives you new ideas on its incredible versatility. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest news on natural health and well-being. Wishing you excellent health on your upcoming journey. See you in the next video.